Hi, my name is Mahesh Kale. I've just arrived in Singapore for my first Abhangavari concert here. The concert's happening on the 23rd of May at 6 p.m. at the Quantum Arena of One World International School. Abhangavari is a very, very dear concert to my heart. It is a devotional journey. If you are a devotee, this concert is for you, irrespective of the language you understand. There will be, of course, a lot of Marathi songs. मराठी अभंग माझ्या मराठी बांधवांकरता भगिनींकरता मुद्दाम सांगतो की असणार आहेत. बट देर विल ऑल्सो बी सम नॉन मराठी सॉंग्स, डिवोशनल सॉंग्स इन हिंदी, उर्दू, possibly Kannada and Tamil. So I look forward to seeing all of you very, very soon. See you.
Shri Ram Jai Ram Jai Jai Ram Shri Ram Jai